To factor trinomials, think again where they came from. Often they came from foiling a pair of binomials. Looking first at the 25a squared, the possibilities for 25 are 1 in 25 or 5 times 5. We're certain that the variables will be a in both cases, so that you would get, for example, if I chose the pair 5 and 5, 5a times 5a being 25a squared. Looking at the last sign, we know that the signs are going to be different, but we're not sure in which place to put the negative and the positive. It's enough to just remember that the signs will be different. Looking now at the 6, possibilities 1 and 6, 2 and 3. I know that from the b squared that I'll have a b here and a b here. As I FOIL out, I'll get an ab and another ab. That'll do it for the middle term. Okay, the signs are supposed to be different. Here's a little bit of guessing, sometimes called trial and error. But if you think about it, 5 is fairly small. So if we pick these that are close to each other, let's see what happens if I link the 5 to the 2, making what will be a 10ab. That's as much as if I put this 5 here and this 2 back there. So this would be the outside terms. That will make me link that 5 to the 3, and if I multiply, I would have 15ab. I know my signs are to be negative and positive. They'll be different. But I want a middle negative term. So I'm going to make that 15 negative and the 10 positive. Now let's see if we can't fill in the blanks so that this happens. I've chosen the pair 5 and 5. So my first term of FOIL will give me back 25a squared. I would like to have a plus 10ab somewhere, and if I would put in plus 2 here, then I get my 10ab as inside terms from the FOIL. If I write minus 3 back there, then I get my minus 15ab as the outside part of FOIL, and the problem is factored. If you check that in the back of the book, sometimes they did use the commutative property. They might have written the 5a minus 3b first and the 5a plus 2b second, but either way is the same.